Visible.
Invisible.
The stars are visible in the clear night sky.
The wind is invisible, but you can feel it.
Gentle.
Rough.
The gentle breeze was calming.
The rough surface of the stone hurt my hand.
Begin.
End.
We will begin the meeting at 9 a.m.
The movie will end at midnight.
Tall.
Short.
The giraffe is very tall.
The rabbit is short compared to the deer.
Forget.
Learn.
I will not forget your birthday.
I want to learn how to play the guitar.
Sorrow.
Joy.
She felt great sorrow after the loss.
The children screamed with joy at the party.
Generous.
Stingy.
The generous man donated money to charity.
He was too stingy to buy lunch for anyone.
Under.
Over.
The cat hid under the table.
The bird flew over the house.
Laugh.
Cry.
He made everyone laugh with his jokes.
The baby began to cry when it was hungry.
Win.
Lose.
She was happy to win the race.
He was disappointed when his team lost.
Bitter.
Sweet.
The coffee was too bitter for me.
She handed me a sweet piece of chocolate.
Kind.
Cruel.
The kind teacher helped the student.
The cruel man shouted at the dog.
Quietness.
Clamor.
The quietness of the forest was peaceful.
The clamor of the crowd was overwhelming.
Alive.
Dead.
The plant is still alive after a week.
The flowers are dead because of the frost.
Love.
Hate.
I love spending time with my family.
He began to hate the constant noise.
Give.
Take.
Please give me the book.
Take your time to finish the task.
Opponent.
Ally.
Our opponent in the game was very strong.
We have a strong ally in our neighbor.
Fatigue.
Energy.
She felt fatigue after the long hike.
I drank coffee to boost my energy.
Obvious.
Hidden.
It was obvious that she was upset.
The treasure was hidden under the floorboards.
Early.
Late.
I woke up early for the meeting.
He was late to the party.
Calm.
Chaotic.
The lake was calm this morning.
The situation became chaotic during the storm.
Positive.
Negative.
She has a positive attitude toward life.
His negative remarks upset everyone.
Hard.
Soft.
The rock was too hard to break.
The pillow is soft and comfortable.
Heavy.
Light.
The box was too heavy to lift.
The feather was light and floated away.
Question.
Answer.
She asked a question about the homework.
He gave a clear answer to the question.
North.
South.
The North Pole is located at the top of the world.
They traveled to the south for vacation.
Female.
Male.
The female dog had puppies.
The male lion roared loudly.
Thick.
Thin.
The thick fog made it hard to see.
The thin paper tore easily.
Cold.
Hot.
The cold wind made me shiver.
The soup is too hot to eat right now.
Hostile.
Friendly.
The hostile crowd yelled at the speaker.
The friendly dog wagged its tail.
Secure.
Insecure.
She felt secure in her new job.
He felt insecure about his performance.
Quiet.
Loud.
The library is always quiet.
The music was too loud to concentrate.
Now.
Then.
I need your help now.
We will talk about it. Then.
Awake.
Asleep.
I am awake and ready to start my day.
The baby is asleep in the crib.
Big.
Small.
The elephant is big and strong.
The kitten is small and cute.
Healthy.
Sickly.
He eats healthy food every day.
She looked sickly after the long illness.
Simple.
Complex.
The instructions were simple to follow.
The math problem was complex and difficult.
Poor.
Rich.
The poor family struggled to buy food.
The rich man lived in a large mansion.
Loss.
Gain.
The loss of his wallet made him upset.
She made a great gain from her investments.
Agree.
Disagree.
They agree on most matters.
They disagree about how to solve the problem.
Host.
Guest.
The host greeted all the guests.
The guest arrived late to the party.
Victory.
Defeat.
Our team celebrated the victory.
They faced defeat after a tough game.
Domestic.
Foreign.
Domestic animals like cats and dogs are common.
She traveled to a foreign country for work.
Dark.
Light.
The room was dark without the light.
The light from the window brightened the room.
Ugly.
Beautiful.
The old house looked ugly with peeling paint.
The sunset was beautiful and colorful.
Right.
Wrong.
It's not right to lie to your friends.
It's wrong to cheat on a test.
Few.
Many.
There are few apples left in the basket.
Many people attended the concert.
Add.
Subtract.
Add sugar to the coffee.
Subtract 10 from 50 to get the answer.
Work.
Rest.
I have to work late tonight.
He needed to rest after a long day.